Wouldn't it be great if we could directly influence the smart home technologies that are to become part of our life? Living Innovation is a project funded by the European Commission. It will help people from all walks of life to design and shape the innovations that make our future lives better. Living Innovation will let you experience co-creation.
Our homes are our most private sanctuary. It is where we interact with our families, and our home plays a big role for maintaining our well-being and our health. At the same time, technology plays a much larger role nowadays than it used to. In our home, it helps us to deliver our daily chores and activities, to make our home environment more comfortable, and to support us in staying happy and healthy for much longer. For example, for aging people, technology can be a big part of enabling them to live at home and to live autonomously for longer.
Do you have a great idea for a technology that would make your home smarter? Living Innovation may give you the chance to make that idea real. In Living Innovation, you become involved in co-creation. You participate in meetings across Europe or online from the convenience of your home.
Living Innovation is a unique European Union-funded project that gives people across Europe the chance to influence and to shape our future living at home. We're especially interested in getting in touch with people who are excited about the future lives, who would like to directly engage with companies, and who would like to become shapers of future designs, future technologies, and even future products.
In my opinion, it's really important to involve users and citizens into such an innovation process, because there are 2 points which are really important. One is democratic reasons, to give the people a speech. It's science with society, innovation with society. The second point is also important because it could help, because people are experts of their own. They know their needs, they have good ideas. We have a lot of change agents in the society. We need to include to get new ideas and maybe innovative products and results. So it's a good way to include people, and it's a win-win situation.
The Living Innovation project, together with key innovator companies, will organize co-creation labs in Eindhoven, Berlin, Munich, Madrid, Barcelona, Vienna, Leicester and London. Living Innovation will invite citizens from across Europe and give them a chance to get involved in co-creation. Which questions will be answered in these labs? What technologies will be co-created by you and the Living Innovation partner companies?
Our lab is focusing on IoT, Internet of Things, for daily life. What it means is that let's say, how you will live in the future at the end. And for us, it's important to work on this kind of labs and this kind of issues, because from Telefonica, what we pursue is to the happiness of the human beings.
Our lab focuses on communication platform. So somebody could say, well, there are many communication platforms out there, but especially in the area of health, lots of people have topics they don't want to like to talk in public about. So there are constraints which you usually would not face on Facebook and other platforms available. So I think there are still open questions which we can research and find out more and discuss with the experts in the consortium to find better solutions also in those areas where people do not feel comfortable to talk about those topics.
Our lab will particularly focus on the future home and lifestyle. But we also have a lot of expertise and experience in health, in prevention.
We want to know how co-creation works with older persons and persons with very different types of disability, because these groups are at the moment excluded from co-creation.
So our lab we are managing in this project is about preventive healthcare and fitness. And we believe it's very important to prevent illnesses because it may not only have an impact on cost of healthcare and of course the well-being of people, but and it's not only something that is good, but it's also a trend. Now we can see that people more and more take care of their health, they eat healthy foods, they do sports, and this is also because there is this support of technology, maybe devices, wearable data that allows them to understand what is good or bad for their health. And this is, I think, the trend that we are going to implement in this lab.
The lab run in the United Kingdom will be led by De Montfort University. It will focus on the use of high-tech machines that may be able to help us with daily chores or change the way we shop and receive goods. This lab will study how high-tech and robotics will shape our future home experience.
The main outcome that will be improved by this process is the fact that the technology, since the conception and the design, will become more responding to the user needs.
Living Innovation Project gives the chance to European citizens to co-create innovations that will shape our future lives at home together with companies that can really make those innovations happen. Therefore, if you're open-minded, if you have good ideas of how our life at home should change and you would like to see those ideas come to life, we truly invite you to join one of the labs near you.
The next innovation that will shape our life at home should be created by you. Please visit the project website to join a lab near you.